Hi, it's personal injury attorney Mark Berman, and in today's podcast, we are going to discuss injuries in a car accident. Let's say another driver crashes into your car while you're driving it. As a result, you suffer an injury. Let's also say that the accident was not your fault. Now, you may live in, say, Bergen County, could be in Fairlawn, Teaneck, Paramus, Ridgewood, Glenrock, Garfield, doesn't matter. The driver that hit you may live in, say, Passaic County, say in Clifton or Wayne or Hawthorne, whatever. You're driving a Toyota Camry, the other driver was driving a Chevy Equinox SUV. Let's say both of you use your vehicles to get to work for family purposes also, and that both of the vehicles were insured with the New Jersey auto insurance policy. Again, just basically your typical auto accident scenario. So here's the question. Again, the accident's not your fault, you're injured. Can you recover compensation for your pain and suffering for any injury that you suffer? Or are there restrictions on the type of injuries that you can recover compensation for? The short answer is that it usually depends on the coverage you selected when you purchased your car insurance. Unfortunately, most people, in order to save a little money, toss away some of their rights and buy a car insurance policy that has what's called a limitation on lawsuit option. If you did this, then unfortunately, again, in many cases, you will not be able to recover any compensation for your pain and suffering. However, if the vehicle that hit you was a commercial vehicle, you still might be able to recover, even if you did select the limitation on lawsuit option. Also, you might be able to recover, in some cases, not in all, if the vehicle that hit you was not registered in New Jersey. Again, it depends on, frankly, the insurance coverage for that vehicle. Another exception to the rule that you can't recover if you select the limitation on lawsuit option is if you have a very sort of severe type of injury. In such cases, and again, it's only certain types of injuries, certain types of severe injuries, then you still can recover even if you chose the limitation on lawsuit option. So the moral of the story is when you buy car insurance, do not select the limitation on lawsuit option. Select the option that lets you sue for anything. Again, when you purchase car insurance, the whole point is to protect you in case of an accident. So what's the good of buying insurance that doesn't protect you? In any event, regardless of what coverage you chose, if you ever are in a motor vehicle accident, the best thing you can do at that point is to immediately pick up the phone and call an experienced personal injury lawyer. Besides the exceptions to the general rule that I went over in this podcast, there may be other exceptions that could apply to you. An experienced car accident attorney knows all the exceptions to any injury exclusions in your car insurance policy. Your lawyer's expertise will give you the best chance to obtain full compensation no matter what coverage you selected. That's today's podcast. If you have any questions whatsoever, or if you ever have an accident and need a personal injury lawyer, feel free to call me, Mark Berman, at 888-316-8288. That's 888-316-8288. Until next time, I'm Mark Berman again. Stay safe out there.